You are never going to grow your small account if you don't follow these 6 rules I'm going to share with you today. I promise you that. Now, growing your small account takes patience, dedication, and working smarter. You literally have to treat it like a baby. A baby can't skip steps, right? You can't skip steps with your trading account. When a baby is 1 month or 2 months old, you're not gonna feed it a cheeseburger. No, it has to work its way up. It has to eat soft food first. So you might feed it some applesauce or maybe some fruit, okay? Then after that, maybe some crackers. Then after that, maybe some cheese, right? And eventually the baby's gonna eat the food that you are eating, right? So in your trading account, you have to work your way up. You can't skip steps. You can't just say, oh, today I want to risk $10 and tomorrow I'm going to risk $500. No, work your way up. And these are the things that we're going to talk about today. And also I'm going to show you guys some live trades making over $2,000 so you can actually see how I'm trading the markets. Now, the first thing that's going to help you grow your account is don't look to make a lot of money right away. Let me explain. See, in the beginning, it's all about building good habits, right? So you have to be consistent, right? So consistency is the key. That's the only thing you should be focusing on in the beginning, because if you can consistently make $10 a day, guess what? You can actually make $100 a day because the strategy stays the same. You're not changing up the strategy. The strategy is still the same. Only thing you have to do in order to make $100 a day is increasing the share size or the lot size. That's it. So this is why it's very important to get down the consistency first, because that's what's going to help you build your good habits. So that's what's going to help you build your small trading account, right? So how can we actually become good at consistency? It's simple. What you do is you do the right things over and over and over, okay? And when you do the right things over and over and over, you're going to build good habits. That's all it takes, because we need these good habits in order for us to be consistent so we can grow our small account. Now, the next thing I'm going to talk about, if you get this wrong, you're going to mess everything up. And that is KYSS. Keep your strategy simple. I remember back in the days, right? I would have a system that works, very simple. And I would see somebody using a very complex system. They're using this and using that. And I'm like, man, what if that is going to help me much better? Or what if that's going to make me more profits? And every single time, guys, every single time, I find myself going right back to my simple trading strategy. So keep your strategy simple. So how can we do that? Number one, we want simple levels. I trade support and resistance and supply and demand. If you don't know what that is, I have videos on my channel about that. And then we need a simple way to enter the market and a simple way to exit the market. So let me show you guys some examples of some live trades that I took so you can understand exactly what I'm talking about. So right here, guys, this is the first trade right here, okay? So remember, we need support and resistance, right? So right here, if we look to the left, we have support, right? Definitely clear support. And then this is where the market opened around my session. I traded NASDAQ and I traded a 5-minute chart. So right now we're looking at the 5-minute chart. So the market hit this level and I'm seeing a reaction. Remember, so we need a level. And now once it hits a level, we need some type of reaction. The reaction is letting us know that, okay, buyers are in the market, okay? So now we see the reaction that I like, which is right here, nice bullish bar right here, right? And then it tried to go down multiple times and shoot up and it shot up again. To me, that is a good sign that the market is trying to hold this level. So I'm looking to get in the market right now. So let me show you guys a live trade. So right here, guys, you see I'm in this trade right here and the market is just moving up and I'm looking to take my profit right at that supply zone right here. Okay, so I'm fast forwarding. You see me about to take my profits for the day and we look to the left, I'm up pretty much almost $2,000, $1,985 for the day. And let me explain why I took the profits right there. So right here, guys, when I went long, I took my profits right at the supply zone right here because it's a possibility that sellers might come at this supply zone because this is a level where sellers in the past sold the market. So when it comes back to that level, it's a possibility the market will sell off. And it did. You know, as soon as it came to the supply zone, it sold off. So that's the reason why I took the profit. That's the reason why I enter. It's very simple. It's not these complex, oh, you have to look at this and look at this and look at 5, 6, 20 different things before you enter the trade. Guys, we got to keep it simple. Trust me on this one. Keep it simple. And this is the way you are going to survive growing your small account, and not just your small account, your big account too. Let me show you guys another example. All right, so here's another support trade right here, okay? Look to the left, we have support. Also support right here, right? And guess what? When the market opened, right, it came to the support level and it bounced off once, twice. When I saw that, okay, I was like, all right, this is where I need to get in because we have a nice reaction. We're looking for a nice bullish candle, okay, or some type of double bottom, right, to get in the market. Very simple. We're not trying to complicate things. We're not trying to look at a whole bunch of things at once just to make a decision. And right here, I also saw a nice little trend line break, okay? So I entered the market. So let me show you guys the live trade. All right, so you see I'm in the trade and I'm about to take my profits. And I took my profits. Now, if you look to the left, I'm up $4,011.50, okay? So that's the trade right there, guys. I'm literally just using support and resistance and supply and demand. I didn't have a supply trade to show you guys today, but if you want to see examples, of course, I got some examples of supply and demand trades on my channel. But today, very simple levels, okay? Very simple candlestick patterns to get in, either double bottom or a nice bullish bar if you're going long, if you're going short, nice bearish bar. And that is it, guys. Keep your strategy simple. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is very crucial, so make sure you pay attention. And that is find out what you are good at, okay? This is very crucial when it comes to growing your small account because you can't just randomly take any trade that you see in the market, okay? Because some trades might look similar to the trades that you're supposed to take, but you should have filters in place, okay? So just because you see a double top, right, doesn't mean you have to take that double top. Is the context in place? Is the trend intact, right? Are you supposed to trade right there? Is it resistance in the way? Understand and find out what you are good at so you know when to trade, because a lot of people get this wrong. They don't have a system to filter out when to trade and when not to trade. Now, the next thing, man, I know for a fact a lot of people struggle with this, is always take the next trade, no matter what, guys. Always take the next trade, because a lot of people freeze up because maybe they lost, a couple of times before. So you have to understand losing is a part of the game, okay? So you always have to take the next trade because that's the opportunity that's probably going to get your money back and also make you profits, because your winners can actually be much bigger than your losers. Let me show you guys a good example. All right, so right here, guys, if you look at this, right, the market was trending up right here. So I'm looking for longs, right? So overall, if you look at, we have support right here, and I'm looking to just get in the market. Hopefully we can, create a new high. The market was having trouble going past this level right here. So to me, I'm saying, all right, this looks like a great opportunity because the market is having trouble around here. We tested it multiple times. So let me get in the market. So I went long right here, okay? Right here, and I actually got stopped out, okay? Because I was looking to at least get the high. Now, I got stopped out, right? Because I saw this nice rejection and, it is what it is. Now, the next opportunity was right here because we went down, but we didn't go down that much, okay? You can tell right here, guys, you see these wicks? Boom, we're trying to go down once, twice. Like, it's trying to go down, but we can't. So right there, that was my entry. I went long again, and basically, I got my money back plus some. So let me show you guys the live trade on this one. Okay, guys, so I'm in this trade. If you look to the left, I'm actually down $1,400.67 because I took that loss, right? So I took the next trade because it goes back to what I said before. Always take the next trade because there's always another opportunity around the corner. So I took the next trade. I'm looking for my profits. So let's fast forward this right now. So, all right, I'm about to take my profits. It's about to hit the target profit right now. Boom, see me get out the market. And we look to the left, I'm up $530, okay? So that trade alone, guys, I was able to wipe out that loser that I had. I was down $1,400 and also put money in my pocket because that winner was much bigger than the loser, okay? So I was able to profit $500 or $530, okay, for the day. So this is why it's very important to always take the next trade. Now, the next thing we are going to talk about is all about surviving. If you get this wrong, tick, 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 boom, you're gonna blow up your small account. And we all know that a lot of us been through that already. So we don't want to blow up our small account. So the next thing I want to talk about is earn the right to size up. Don't size up because you feel like it. Don't size up because you hate your job and you want to quit it by tomorrow. Don't size up because you see some guru online making $2,000 in one day. Don't size up because you did good on Monday and then all of a sudden you want to risk more on Tuesday. No, earn the right to size up. And that simply means prove to yourself, okay? It could be 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Prove to yourself that you are ready to size up. It can't just be, oh, I just had a good week. Now, next week, I'm gonna size up. No, you have to see consistency. You have to be consistent enough to size up. And this right here is gonna help save your small account, because I see a lot of traders, and me personally, I went through this, right? Where I want to make more money, right? Making $20 a day, $50 a day is boring, right? I wanna make more money, but don't do it, guys. Earn the right to size up. Now, the last thing I want to talk about, guys, is very important, because if you don't understand this mindset, you're probably going to give up, or you're probably going to be frustrated, or you're just going to say, oh man, it's not working out for me. And that is, a good trading day is not about the money. Let me explain. Now, when I have a good trading day, actually, let me ask you this question, okay? If I tell you, hey man, yo, today I had a good trading day, automatically you probably think I made profits for the day, right? No, that doesn't mean anything. A good trading day actually is me following my rules. It has nothing to do with the profit and loss. I can actually still have a red day. I could be down $500 for the day, $1,000 for the day, and still have a good trading day. How is that possible? Because if I follow my rules, if I didn't revenge trade, if I didn't have FOMO, if I didn't break my rules, right? If I did all the necessary things that I was supposed to do, guess what? That still is a good day. And you have to understand that, okay? This is very crucial to growing your small account, because if you don't think this way, you're always gonna feel like, oh man, you know, I'm not good enough. I'm not doing too good. Guys, remember, in the beginning, baby steps. It's how you grow your small account. So I suggest you watch this video probably more than once, because it's definitely going to help you understand the market, understand what to do to grow your small account. I appreciate all you guys that's watching my videos. Thanks a lot. If you want to watch more trading videos like this, you want to be a much better trader, I got more videos on my channel, and those videos will definitely help you out. So I know you guys can do it. Let's do it. Let's build that small account so you can finally live the life that you want to live, okay? So thanks a lot for watching. It made me proud.